Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to solve a lot of questions on exponents in power. So yes, let's get started with the video. So I know that this is very interesting topic. So yes, I'm expecting that you are going to enjoy today's video. So yes, please watch the video till the end. So let's get started. So I hope you can see my shared screen now. So yes, let's get started and let's write down the topic first, which is exponent and power. Okay, so this is our today's topic. So as far as the topic is concerned, I just want to tell you that this topic is very important. This topic is very interesting. So along with that, it's very much important to do questions also. So therefore, I have created a new playlist where I'll be taking some topics and I'm going to cover a lot of solved questions. Okay, I'm going to do a lot of questions for you. So yes, if you have not watched that playlist yet, so I have uploaded few videos till now. So please go and watch that playlist. The playlist name is Solved Questions. Okay. So yes, so this is our exponent and power. So yes, this is our topic for today. So let's start with our first question. Okay. So I'm going to start with the basic question. Okay. It's not like I'm going to assume that you already are aware of this topic. You already know how to solve all the questions. No, I'm going to assume that you are not aware of this topic and this is totally new for you. So because this is a solved question video, so I'm going to take my first question. So the first question is, you have to express 32 as a power of 2. Okay, that is your question. So you have to express 32 as a power of 2. What does that mean? It means that you have to factorize this 32 and you have to write down this 32 as 2 raised to power something. So let's do this question. So what you have to do, you have to take this number, which is 32. So 32 is here. And then you have to find the prime factor or factor, we can say, of this number. So this will, of course, go by 2. So 2 into 16, 32. This is 2 into 8, 16. This is 2 into 4, 8. This is 2 into 2, 4. And the last one is 2 into 1, 2. You have to just count these numbers that you have got here. So this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So therefore, we can write down 32 as 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times, right? So 3, 4, and 5, which we can also write down as 2 raised to 5. And this is nothing but our answer, right? So 2 raised to 5, we have expressed 32 as a power of 2. So this was our first question. Now let's go to the second question. So in the second question, we have to express 128 as a power of 2. Okay, we have to express 128 as a power of 2. Again, I hope you know what to do. So I have taken one more example on the same topic. So yes, we have to express this also as a power of 2. So you know what to do. If you already know what to do, if you're practicing this for the first time, you can pause this video, you can do it on your own, and then you can again play the video to check your answer. So yes, this is 2 into 6, 12, 2 into 4, 8. This will become 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 2, 4. And then 2, 16, 2, 8. And this is 2, 4. And this is 2, 2. And 2 into 1. So therefore, 128 we can write down as 2 into 2. How many times? So let's count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So we can write down 2 into 2 into 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So therefore, what's the answer? The answer is 2 raised to 7. So this is our answer for this question, expressing 128 as a power of 2. Now we can go to the next question. So we have to now find the value of some questions. Okay, so let's do our first question, or we can say third question. So now you have to find the value of 11 raised to 2. It's very much obvious. Do you know that when we write down a raised to m, it just means that A is getting multiplied m times, right? So A raised to m is nothing but A into A into A. And how many times? M times we have to multiply. So using this concept here, the question is we have to multiply 11 square, right? That means 11 is getting multiplied 2 times only. So we can write down this as 11 into 11. We have written 11 2 times. And what is the answer of 11 into 11? 121. And that is our answer. Let's go to the next question. So the next question is we have to find the value of 5 raised to 4. Similar question. Using the same concept, you can solve this question also. 5 is getting now multiplied 4 times. So we have to multiply 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, right? And which is 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5 is 125 and 125 into 5 is 675. Okay, so the answer is 675. Yes, so we have completed these 2 questions also. Now let us do some more question where we have to express some questions in the exponential form. Okay, so the first question is we have to express 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7. This is our question. We have to express this in the exponential form. Very simple, very straightforward. What you have to do is you have to just see that 5 has come how many times? 5 has come 2 times. So it's just the reverse of what we did just now. So now you have to write down 5 is getting multiplied 2 times, which is 5 square, into 7 has come how many times? 3 times. So that will become 7 raised to 3. And do you know that this is our answer? That's it. Very simple, isn't it? Let's go to the next question. So one more question from this. So now we have to express this in the exponential form. A into A into A into C into C into C into D into D. This is what we have to express. So let's solve this. So here what we have to do, here instead of constants or numbers, we have these letters, right? So we just need to convert this also in the exponential form. So you have to just count A has come how many times? 3 times. So the answer is A cube. Into C has come how many times? C cube. 3 times. So C raised to 3. D has come how many times? So D squared. Of course, you have to write down this A, C, and D separately because these are different letters, right? So yes, that is our answer. Now let's go to the next question, okay? So for this question, I want you to try. Of course, I want you to do this question. And so for that, you have to pause this video and you try to answer. So the question is, you have to identify which is greater, 5 raised to 3 or 3 raised to 5. So this is the question, which one is greater? You have to answer this. I want you to pause it right now and think of the answer. So yes, of course, when you will start watching it again. So let's see how we can do this. It's very simple. It's very much obvious. 5 raised to 3, that means 5 is getting multiplied 3 times. So you know what's the answer of 5 into 5 into 5, which is 125. Now let us do 3 raised to 5. So 3 is getting multiplied 5 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So this will become 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27, 27 into 3, 81, and 81 into 3 is 243. Now, this is very much obvious that out of 125 and 243, which one is greater? It's straightforward. 243 is greater. Because 243 is greater, so therefore, which number is greater? 3 raised to 5 is greater. Yes, so I hope you understood this question also. Now let's go to the next question. So for example, you have to simplify here 0 into 10 square. This is the question. Simplify this. You will get such kind of questions in your exams. A question and a sum basically, and you will be asked to simplify it. So what do you have to do? You simply have to simplify it. So as you can see here that 0 into 10 square is 100. 0 into 100 is 0 because we know that 0 multiplied by any number is 0. Maybe some of you must be thinking right now that why even to write down this step? Of course, if you want, you can avoid this step and you can directly say that 0 multiplied by any number is 0. So the correct answer for this is directly 0. Yes. So let's go now to the next question. So in the next question, we have to simplify 3 raised to 2 into 10 raised to 4. Now we have to simplify this. Very simple. What you have to do is you have to just break it. Like you have to simplify it further. So 3 raised to 2, that means 3 is getting multiplied 2 times. 10 raised to 4, that means 10 is getting multiplied 4 times. And I hope you know that whenever we multiply any number with a 10 or a multiple of 10, it's very much simple for us to do the calculation, right? So yes, we can do here 3 into 3, 9. And this is 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 is same as 1. And just write down all the zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 9 into 10,000 is going to be 90,000. So this is our answer. Now let us do one more question on simplify a certain sum. So now you have to simplify minus 3 square into minus 5 square. Now let us simplify this. So now you can see that now a negative number is getting multiplied 2 times. So minus 3 raised to 2, that means minus 3 is getting multiplied 2 times. So minus 3 into minus 3. Let's write down this in the bracket. Now into minus 5 is getting multiplied 2 times. So minus 5 into minus 5. Now let me tell you for your information, if you are not aware of this, that minus into minus is plus. Okay. So minus into minus will always give you plus, right? So using this, we can say formula or property, minus 3 into minus 3 will become 9 because 3 into 3 is 9 and minus into minus is plus. Into here 5 into 5 is 25, minus into minus is plus. So we are getting 9 into 25. Now we can do the calculation. So 9 into 5, 45, 5 carry 4, 9 into 2, 18 plus 4, 22. So the answer is 225. I hope you are understanding all the questions which I'm solving here. So yes, now we can go to our next question. Now we are going to solve some questions based on some properties of exponents, which are called laws of exponents. I'm not going to write down the formulas of laws of exponent, of course, separately, because if you want to watch that video I have already uploaded in 2 parts, laws of exponent part 1 and laws of exponent part 2. So if you want to watch that video, please go and watch that video. I'm going to put the link in the description box, so you don't have to find it. You can find it in this video's description box only. All right, so let's do some laws of exponent questions. Of course, in a particular question, if I'm going to use any formula or property, I'm going to write it on the side. So let's do our first question. So in the first question, we have to solve 2 raised to 2 and then raised to 3 into 3 raised to 6. Okay, this in a big bracket in the question into 5 raised to 6. This is our question and we need to simplify this. Very simple. Let me tell you, this is very, very simple. So here we are going to solve this bracket thing first. So you can see that here we have 2 raised to 2 raised to 3. Here I'm going to use a property, a law of exponent, which is if we have a raised to m raised to n, that is same as a raised to m into n. Okay, so here using this formula or this property, we can write down this as 2 raised to 2 into 3 into 3 raised to 6 into 5 raised to 6 as it is. Now, of course, this is 2 raised to 2 into 3 is 6. So we can write down into 6 into 3 raised to 6 into 5 raised to 6. Now here, if you want, you can also remove this bracket if you want. So yes, let me tell you that which formula you are going to use here. And the formula is if we have a raised to m into b raised to m. What does that mean? It simply means that if we have the powers same and they are getting multiplied, the base are getting multiplied, then you have to just write down the base together with multiplication, that is a into b, and then just write down that power which is same as whole. So using this property, we are going to write down this as 2 into 3 raised to 6 into 5 raised to 6. Okay, so just for your convenience, I have solved the bracket part first. Now 2 into 3 is 6, of course, and then 6 raised to 6 into 5 raised to 6. Now using the same property again, this will become 6 into 5 raised to 6, and 6 into 5 is 30, and 30 raised to 6. Now you don't need to solve this 30 raised to 6 further. You can leave the answer here only. So yes, this is our answer. Okay, now let's go to the next question quickly. So now our next question is, you have to solve 4 raised to 3 into 4 raised to 2. Now you can see here that in this question, we have the base same and not the power, right? So when we have the base same, for example, a raised to m into a raised to n, the power are different and the base are same, and they are getting multiplied. So you have to just write down this base once, and you have to add the power. That is the property. Okay, whenever it will get multiplied, you have to add the power. So using this formula or property, this will be 4 raised to 3 plus 2. 4 raised to 3 plus 2 is 5. Now, if you want, you can solve this. If you want, you can leave it here also. So 4 raised to 5, you already know how to solve this. 4 raised to 5 is same as 4 is getting multiplied 5 times. So that is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, I hope you can do this, but yes, let me do this for you. So 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 4, 64 into 16. Okay, I can leave this multiplication part for you. Okay, so that we can not waste time here. So yes, 64 into 16, whatever answer you'll get, that will be the final answer. All right. Okay, now we can go to the next question. Let's take one more question on this. So we have 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 3. You can see the question is similar. Okay, so again, using the same property, we have to write down the base. Because it is getting multiplied, the power will get added using this property. So this will become 5 plus 3, which is 2 raised to 8. And 2 raised to 8, yes, you can simplify this. So it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know 2 raised to 5 is 32. So yes, this is basically 32. So 32 into 8. You have to do this part. So this will become 256, I guess. Yes. Yeah, correct. 256 is the answer. All right. So we have done this question also. Let me see. Do I need to give you some more questions? Okay, yes, I am going to give you one question because I have solved a lot of questions for you. So I'm going to give you a work. If you have watched this video till here, that means if you have managed to watch the video till here, this question is for you. Please solve this and let me know the answer in the comment box. So the question is, what's the value of 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 8? I don't want the answer in the exponent form. I want you to use a property here, solve it something in as a power, and then also solve that part and give me that answer in the comment section. So yes, I'll wait for your answer. So please write down the answer of this question in the comment box. Yes, you have time. It's just you have to bring your notebook and you just need a pen. That's it. You can do it and you can let me know your answer in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I am extremely, extremely grateful for you guys. So yes, keep supporting me like that. I will come with lots of videos soon. So yes, thank you so much for your support. Thank you. See you in the next video.